Welcome to Brilliant Classes. As we have already gone through the PPT of this lesson, let us begin with the exercise. The first question is rewrite the following numbers using commas to separate the periods according to the Indian place value chart. We know Indian place value chart means we have to put comma after 3 digit from the right, and after that after every 2 digit we have to put commas. So let us begin. First we'll put comma after 3 digit. 1, 2, 3. That is ones, tens, hundreds. Then 1000, 10,000, then comma. So this is how we have to do in all the questions. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma. Then 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma, 1, 2, comma. Then 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma, 1, 2, comma. Again after 3, after 2 and after 2. Then 3, 2 and 2. 3, 2 and 2. 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 1, 2. Next is write the following numbers in words. So we have to write number names. So I will be doing some selective questions which includes the idea of all the questions. So I have taken 3 selective questions, A, G and I. So let us begin. When we write the number names, the first thing is we should have an idea, a clear picture of the place value of all the digits in the number. So this is ones, tens, hundreds, then 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So this will be 74 lakh, 10,000, 507. Same way we'll write the place value here. Ones, tens, hundred, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. So this will be 50 crore, 19 lakh. Then in 1000 and 10,000 place we have 0, 100 and 10 also we have 0. So we will not mention anything. We will simply write 6. Finally ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So this will be 4 crore, 4 lakh, 4,000. As we have nothing in hundreds and tens place, we will write 4. So keeping these questions in your mind, you have to do all the other questions exactly like this. First step is you have to write the number, then you have to write the place value, and according to the place value you have to write the spelling, the number name. Next question is write the following numbers in figures. So we have to write now the numbers. The number names are given, we have to convert it into figures. The first is 92 lakh 5,055. So 92 lakh, after lakh we have thousands, 5,000. So 10,000 place we have no numbers. Then 5,055. That means 100 place is 0 and we have 55. Next is 6 crore. We will write 6. Then 65 lakh. We will write 65 lakh. Then 20,000. That is 20,000. And 716. 716. Then the third one is 9 crore. We'll write 9. You all have to remember is that after crore we have 1 comma. Like after crore we have a comma. Then after 2 digits we have a comma, because that is lakh and 10 lakh. Then again after 2 digits because 1000 and 10,000. And finally after 3. So 9 crore, that means we can write 9 and put a comma. Then 19 lakh. So we'll write 19 then comma, because this is 10 lakh and lakh place. Then 9,000. Now here you have to pay attention. 9,000. Had it been 90,000, we could have written 90. But here it is written 9,000. That means 10,000 place is vacant. So we'll write 0 and 9. 9,990. 990. Next is 12 crore, 10 lakh, 365. So no thousand. So thousands place will be 0 and 365. Then 5 crore 42,000. There's no lakh. Lakh is not mentioned. So lakhs place will be written as 0 and 0. 42,109. Then 23 crore 5 lakh 7,108. So it will be 108. Then we have 30 crore 15,000. So lakhs place will be 0. 15,000. 18. That means hundreds place will be 0 and 18. Then 52 crore 1 lakh 31. Hope you are understanding why I am putting 0. If like here 10 lakh places vacant, so I have put 0. Hundreds places vacant, so I have put 0. Next is 13 crore 570. So no lakh, no thousand, nothing is written. So lakhs place will be 0, thousands place will be 0. And then 570. Then 10 crore, directly 10,000. No lakh, so lakh place will be 0, 10,000. 11, that means hundreds place is 0 and 11. 1 crore 1,001. So lakhs place will be 0, 10,000 place will be 0, 1,001. Next is using Indian place value system, write the place value of each of the digits in the numeral 641970528. Let us do this. So we have to write the place value of each and every digit given in this number, which is according to the Indian place value chart. So according to Indian place value, this is ones, tens, hundreds, then thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. So we'll begin with 8. 8 is in ones place, so it will be written as 8. 2 is in tens place, you will write 2. Then after 2 we have one digit, so we'll put 1 0. 5 is in hundreds place, we'll write 5, and after 5 we have 2 digits, we'll put 2 zeros. Then place value and face value of 0 is always 0, so no need of writing 4 times 0, we'll write 1 time. Then we have 7. After 7 we have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 9. After 9 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because 5 digits, so 5 zeros. Then we have 1. It is in 10 lakhs place and we have 6 numbers or 6 digits after 1. So we write 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have 4 in crores place. As 4 is in crore place, we have 7 digits after 4. So we'll put 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Finally, we have 6. So after 6 we have 8 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Either you can write the place value like this, or you can also write here 8 ones, or 2 tens, or 5 hundreds, 0 thousands, then 7 10,000. 9 lakhs, 1 10 lakhs, 4 crore, or 6 10 crore. So there are 2 ways of writing. You can use either one. Next is using Indian system of numeration. Find the place value of the underlined digit in each of the following. Some digits are underlined and we have to find out the place value as per Indian system. So let us begin. In the first question you can see 9, it is underlined. So we'll put commas first, after 3, after 2, after 2. Now we'll see the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So 9 is in crore place. Next 7. We'll put comma after 3, then 2, then 2. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 7 is in lakhs place. Then after 3, after 2, after 2. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. So 8 is in 10 crore place. Then 3. 3, 2, 2. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 3 is in 10 lakhs place. Then ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 0 is in lakhs place. Then after 3, 2, 2. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 5 is in lakhs place. Next is write the following numbers in expanded form. So let us do this. Let us write the expanded form now. The first question you can see, we have 5. After 5 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So we'll put 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Plus the next number, the next digit is 2. After 2 we have 4 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 9. After 9 we have 3 digits. Then after 3 we have 2 digits. Then after 4 we have 1 digit, and finally we have 7. This is how the expanded form is written. Here first we'll write 2. After 2 we have 6 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 3. After 3 we have 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 0 is written as it is. No need of adding zeros. Plus after 9 we have 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Plus after 5 we have 2 digits. After 1 we have 1 digit, and after that 9. Next we have 9 in the first place. Here we will start from the left hand side. After 9 we have 3, 3, 6 plus 1, 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 7 we have 1, 2, 3, 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus after 2 we have 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then after 3 we have 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 4, and after 4 we have 3 digits. So 4, 1, 2, 3. 0 is written as it is. After 2 we have 1 digit, and finally 6. In the next question, first we have 1. After 1 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus after 3 we have 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we have 0, which is written as it is. Then we have 6. After 6 we have 5 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then after 6 we have 1. And after 1 we have 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 9 we have 3 digits. After 8 we have 2 digits. Again we have 0, and finally 4. Now next question starts from 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again after 3 we have 8 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have 7. After 7 we have 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we have 2 and 6 digits after 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus after 2 we have 4 and 5 digits after 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have 0. Then after 9 we have 3 digits. After 5 2 digits. After 7 1 digit. And finally 8. And the last question starts with 8. After 8 we have 4 and 4 8 digits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then 9. After 9 we have 7 digits. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. After 9 we have 3. And after 3 we have 6 digits. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. After 3 we have 0. It is written like that. 0 is written as it is. After that we have 1 and 4 digits. 1 2 3 4. Then 6 and 3 digits. Then 8 and 2 digits. 7 and 1 digit, and finally 0. Next is write the following in standard form. The previous question we wrote answers like this, that was expanded form. Now the expanded form is given and we have to write the standard form. Let us begin. We'll count the total number of digits in each number. So here we have after 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first we'll write 3 and then we'll count this, whether this has 6 or 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 zeros and 6 digits. That means we can write 7 to the right of 3. Because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, that means there should be 5 digits here. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5. So we'll write 6. Now here with 6 we have 4 digits. That means the next number should be of 4 digits. Because in 6 there were 4 zeros, it was necessary that in the next number there are 4 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits we have, so we wrote 9. Now in 9 how many zeros are there? 3. So there should be 3 digit number, but here you can see there is a number which is 2 digit. So we'll put a 0 and then 7. And with 7 we have 1 0. So that means the next digit should at least have 1 digit. So it is 6. So we'll write 6. So it is 37,69,076. Now in the next question, the first digit we'll write as it is. After that we count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means next should be 7 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because it is 7, we'll write 8. Now we'll count this 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But here it is 5. So in the 6th place we'll write 0 and then we'll write 3. With 3 we have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, but here it is a 3 digit number. So we'll again put a 0 and then 4. With 4 we have 2 digits and here we have 2 digits. So we'll write 8 and finally 4. So it was ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh in crore. That means 6 crore 80 lakh 30,484. Let us move on to the next question. The first digit we write as it is. Then we'll count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let us count the number of digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 zeros and 6 digits. So what we'll do? We'll put a 0 in 7th place and then 2. After 2, how many zeros we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But here we have 4 digit number. So we'll put a 0 and then 2. After 2, we have 3 zeros and here we have 3 digits. So we'll write 2. 10th place we have nothing and finally 2. So we have 2 crore 2 lakh 2,202. Then in the next question, first we'll write 7. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. So here we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. So we have written a 0 in 7th place and then 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So it is correct, we'll write 8. 4 zeros and 4 digits. So 4. Now 1, 2, 3 zeros and 2 digits. So we'll add 1 0 and then because there are 3 zeros and 2 digits, we have added 1 0 and then 6. 1 0 and 1 digit. Finally 9. So again we have 73 crore 2 lakh 84,069. Then we come to the next question. We'll write 5 as it is. After 5 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. But here we have a 4 digit number. That means 4 zeros we have to write. Because there are 4 digits. Then we'll write 5. 3 digits and here we can see 1, 2, 3 zeros. But here it is 2 digit. So we'll add 1 0 and then 5. And finally 5. So we have 50 crore 5,055. The first digit we'll write as it is. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits in the next number. So in 8 and 7 place we'll put 0. Then we'll write 9. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros but 3 digits. So 5 and 4 place we'll write 2 zeros then 9. 2 zeros and 1 digit. So 1 0 then finally 9. Again we have 90 crore 9 lakh 909. Finally the last question we'll write 4. No need of calculating here, we have 10. So these 2 digits will become, this will become 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros we have to add. Then we'll write 1 and 7. So we have 4 crore 17. That's it. Next is counting in thousands. Write the number from 29 lakh 6,754 to 29 lakh 11,754. So what we have to do is we'll write this number and we'll keep on adding 1000 till we reach this number. So let us do it. Let us begin. We have to start from this number and we have to reach this number. So we'll add 1000 now. So we'll get 4, 5, 7, 7, 0, 9 and 2. So we haven't reached here. So again we'll add 1000. 4, 5, 7, 8, 0, 9 and 2. Again 1000. 4 and 0, 4, 5, 7, 8 and 1, 9, 0, 9 and 2. Again 1000. 4, 5, 7, 9 plus 1 is 10, 1, 9 and 2. Still we haven't reached, so we'll add 1000 again. 4, 5, 7, 1, 1, 9, 2. So you can see now we have got this number here. That means here we'll stop and we have completed the counting of 1000 to reach this number. Now in question number 9, again it is the same question, but we have to count in lakhs and we have to start from here and we have to reach here. And in question number 10, again we have to count in crores. We'll start from this number to this number. So let us do. So now we have to count in lakhs. So we'll add lakhs to this number and we'll keep on adding till we reach this number. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So we have 5 zeros in lakh. Let us add 9, 0, 1, 6, 3, 8, 2 and 5. Again we'll add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 lakh. 9, 0, 1, 6, 3, 9, 2, 5. Again we'll add 1 lakh. We haven't reached that number. 9, 0, 1, 6, 3. 9 plus 1 is 10, 3 and 5. We are almost there. You can see 5, 3, 2 and here we have reached 5, 3, 0. Let us add 1 lakh again. 1, 6, 3, 1, 3 and 5. Again we'll add 1 lakh. 9, 0, 1, 6, 3, 2, 3 and 5. So you can see we have reached this number. So we'll be adding crore now. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So let us add. Here it will be 0, 0, 5, 7, 5, 0, 3, 6 plus 1 is 7 and 1. Again we'll be adding crore. Then 0, 0, 5, 7, 5, 0, 3, 8 and 1. Again we'll add 1 crore and 0, 0, 5, 7, 5, 0, 3, 9 and 1. Again 0, 0, 5, 7, 5, 0, 3, 9 plus 1 is 10 and 2. Again we'll add because we haven't reached the number 0, 0, 5, 7, 5, 0, 3, 1 and 2. So I hope we have to add it one more time to make it 22. So finally we'll get 22, 30, 57 and 500. Next is look at the pattern and write the next 3 numbers. So we have to see what has been added or subtracted or multiplied or divided to find out the next pattern. So you can see here 3140624, 3140724, 3140824. All the numbers are same except all the digits are same except the 100th place. They are adding 100 after every number. So we'll add 100 to this number. When we'll add 100, this will become 3140. In place of 8, it will be 924. Then again when we'll add 100 here, 1 will be carried this side. It will be 31411024. Next will be 3141 1, 2, 4. Then in the next question you can see 3, 2, 5, 6, 4, 1, 9, 3, 2, 5, 7, 4, 1, 9. Here they are adding 1000, ones, tens, hundred, thousands. The thousands place is changing from 6 to 7, 7 to 8. That means they are adding 1000. So if we'll add 1000 here, this will become 3, 2, 5, 9, 4, 1, 9. Then this will become 3, 2, 6, 0, 4, 1, 9. Because if we'll add 1 to 9, it will become 10. So 1 will be carried here and this will become 0. Next will be 3, 2, 6, 1, 4, 1, 9. In the next question, 70809010, 70909010. So you can see they are adding 1 lakh, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, because the lakhs place from 8 it has become 9, from 9, 10. So we'll be adding 1 lakh. So if we'll add 1 lakh here, this will become 7110910. Again we'll add 1 lakh, this will become 71209010. Then 71309010. So they have added 1 crore. So 19, 20, 21. So these two numbers we have to change. We wrote 22, 23, 24 and rest all the numbers are same. In the next question we have 3020104000, 2920104000, 2820104000. So you can see 30 has become 29. From 29 to 28. So next will be 27 and rest all the numbers will be same. Then 26, 20104000. Finally 25, 20104000. Next is write the smallest 9-digit number and largest 8-digit number. I've already told you when we talk about smallest, it starts with 1 and largest starts with 9. Smallest 9-digit number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Then largest 8-digit number, largest means 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 9, 1, 2. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So it will be 9 crore. Next is what comes just after 9536999. After means we have to add 1 with this number. So let us see what answer we'll get if we'll add 1. So the question is 9536999. So we'll add 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. This will become 7359. So this is what we'll get after adding 1, that is 9537000. Now next is what comes just before. Before means we have to subtract 1. So just before means we have to subtract. So we'll write the number first 9, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we'll subtract 1 now. This will become 10, 9, 9, 9, 9, 8. So the answer will be 9, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9. So we'll write the answer 9, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9. Again the next is we have to find out what comes just after. So let us see what comes after. After means we have to add 1. So we'll write the number first. 1, 3, 7008999. We'll add 1. 9 plus 1 10. 9 plus 1 10. This will become 9. Rest all the numbers will be as it is. So this is what we got after adding 1. That is 1, 3, 7000900. Then we have what comes just before. Before means again we have to subtract. Next is what comes just before. So we have to subtract. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We'll subtract 1. This will become 10, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 and 0. So what are we left with? 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9. So 99,99,999.